Recovery IVs, post-drinking hydration sticks, or alcohol metabolism supplements. Which works best for the dreaded post-party hangover? Today, we are breaking them all down. Hey party people, I'm Dr. Jordan Wagner, a board-certified emergency medicine physician. You might know me from my other channel, Dr. ER, but welcome to Life Happens, our YouTube channel dedicated to giving you the health information you really want to know about. Today, we're diving into hydration remedies for when you've gone a little too hard drinking grandpa's old cough syrup. And frankly, I see it all the time in the emergency department. People coming in demanding a banana bag. Let's quickly explain what a hangover is. Put simply, a hangover is the unpleasant aftermath of drinking too much alcohol, causing symptoms like headache, fatigue, dehydration, nausea, and sensitivity to light and sound. It's mainly caused by dehydration, electrolyte imbalance, and the buildup of toxic byproducts from alcohol metabolism. And there have been many ways over the years that people try to combat or lessen the effects of the Sunday morning scaries. Things like Pedialyte, Gatorades, burnt toast, Menudo, Froyo. You hear it all as possible hangover remedies, but none probably as popular as the highly marketed hydration IV therapies. Like we use in the hospital, IV therapies deliver fluids, electrolytes, usually vitamins like B complex and vitamin C, and sometimes medications directly into your bloodstream for a quick relief. The pros of the IVs are they offer fast rehydration and nutrient replenishment, especially if you can't keep things down, so to speak. The cons, however, they are expensive, usually between $200 and $300 a pop, time-consuming, not always accessible, and your body can't always easily absorb large quantities rapidly. Take it from me as an ER doctor, IV is not always the best way to go. The digestive tract is a natural way for your body to process and absorb fluids and nutrients more effectively over time. While it's true IV fluids work by quickly replenishing fluids and electrolytes directly into the bloodstream, bypassing the digestive system, this can provide rapid relief from dehydration and replenish nutrients lost due to alcohol consumption. However, the rapid absorption can sometimes overwhelm the body, making natural hydration through actually drinking water a gentler and often more effective option. And let's be real, it costs way less and is much more accessible. Now let's discuss post-hangover hydration sticks. Very popular right now, and you see them at every grocery store and gas station. Hydration sticks, generally speaking, come in little packets or varieties, and you mix it with water to replenish electrolytes and nutrients. The pros are convenient, portability, as well as affordability. The cons, well, they really only address symptoms after they occur. They may not fully restore lost nutrients and do not necessarily protect your liver. Hydration sticks do usually contain electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and magnesium that help rehydrate the body. When mixed with water and consumed, they help replace the minerals lost through dehydration caused by alcohol. While they are effective in rehydrating the body, they only work after the hangover has set in and do not address the underlying cause of the hangover symptoms or offer protection to the liver, which can be damaged by the excessive alcohol consumption. Something to keep in mind. What about the people out there that say IV rehydration after a hangover is better than oral hydration? Both oral rehydration therapy and intravenous rehydration are effective methods for treating dehydration, but they differ in speed, effectiveness, and application context. Studies show that for mild to moderate dehydration, oral rehydration therapy is just as effective as IV rehydration. However, IV rehydration might be preferred in severe dehydration cases due to its quicker onset of action. On the other hand, oral rehydration is less invasive, more cost-effective, and avoids complications associated with IV lines, making it a practical choice for non-severe cases. Now, let's talk about the third option to your recovery efforts. Supplements, specifically in the pre-game context. Instead of trying to clean up the mess afterwards, why not arm yourself or at least beef up your defenses before a night out? That's where pre-supplements like Poor Decisions by Life Happns comes into play. They are taken before drinking and after drinking to help prevent or lessen the effects of the post-party sickness from even happening. What are the pros of a pre-drinking supplement? Well, they support liver function, maintain electrolyte balance, reduce sickness severity, and they are formulated by doctors and nutritionists. The downside, well, you have to remember to take them before you start drinking, which is usually the biggest challenge. Additionally, pre-supplements work by preparing your body to handle the effects of alcohol before you start drinking. Poor Decisions by Life Happens, for example, contains vitamin B6, potassium, milk thistle, rosemary, and schizandra berry extract. These ingredients support liver function, help to metabolize alcohol more efficiently, and maintain electrolyte balance, reducing the severity of any sick feelings one may experience, which in turn helps your body recover quickly. Ultimately, all three options have their pros and cons, and obviously it goes without saying that the best way to prevent or lessen the effects of a hangover is to just not drink at all. But if you're going to go out planning on having a few drinks, or you're watching this video and want to explore your options, why not give pre-supplements like Poor Decisions a try? They proactively support your body's needs before the next day headache hits. Just remember to take 2 pills before you go out, and for best results, take 2 more before bed. Plus, it may save you a lot of time and money than visiting me and my colleagues in the dreaded emergency department. Go ahead and check them out by searching Poor Decisions at lifehappens.com or Amazon. Also, please remember to drink responsibly if you're going to drink at all. All right. Do you have a swear-by hangover prevention hack? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips. Thanks for watching and stay healthy, my friends.